To customize Sidebar in Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and enter accessibility and convenience and go to the smart sidebar. Make sure that this option is activated if you want to see sidebar, and then we can adjust most of the settings below. So first thing is floating bar. You can adjust the bar handle on the top right there. You can change the size for it. You can also hide it, as I think I didn't mention that. Change the transparency for it, move it up and down, and change the side to left and right. Then there's the options for the sidebar style. You can use it with 2 columns of app icons or 1 column. Then there's the file dock. You can enable or disable file dock, which allows you to move files basically between different folders using it. There's multiple different features, and I've made a dedicated video for it as it's more complicated. There's options for showing or hiding app names as well in your sidebar. So now when we have everything from this side, let's call out our sidebar now on this side. We can then click on this button to edit which icons will be visible in it. So we can add things like quick note or remove Google Photos, and you can do it with whichever apps you like. You can of course search for specific apps as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.